Come on. Stand up.
Come on. Don't forget that.
That's his security. You're doing so well all in one evening. We're never going to find anything that belongs in the kitchen ever again because you're going to take it somewhere. Aww. Stand up.
Good job. Well. Well.
He's so excited. You want to come to the kitchen? Come on. August. No, stand up. Stand up. Your Aunt Sarah wants to see you, but we're recording you right now. So always be careful on the floor. There's a refrigerator.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. Go to Mama.
Yeah, you can do it. Stand up. Stand up.
He's just doing some squats in between.
He's testing out the slippery floor. Stand. Okay, good job. Good job. You made it to one of your most favorite places in the house, the dishwasher. You want to go back the other way? August. August. Come here. August. Oh, now he figured out that he can push that. Alright.